At number 3 on the capsule wardrobe list is the black or the navy t-shirt. Very much like the white t-shirt, you have to opt for quality over quantity, and depending on your coloring of your skin or your hair and your eyes, black or navy is really, they're both very versatile. If you're very dark, if you have that beautiful chocolate skin and dark hair, then navy might be better for you. If you're very fair or somewhere in the middle, then black is an absolute staple. Black will always be back. So at number 3 is your black or your navy t-shirt that you can wear under a blazer with some jeans or skinny jeans. You can wear it under a suit. You can wear it with a beautiful pair of joggers or some really good quality comfortable pants, some chinos. The black or the navy t-shirt is an absolute essential alongside the white t-shirt, because if you think about it this way, it enables you to put on different jackets or different cardigans or different long line maxi cardis, and you can change up a look so easily. And once again, whether it's black or navy, and let us know if you need help, get in touch with us. Just keep it simple is what I always say. Have a look in the mirror and have a look at the way that God made you. Has He given you very, very dark hair and beautiful dark skin? If so, maybe opt for a navy. Depending on, we've spoken about number 1, which is undercover, depending on whether or not you're blessed in the chest, and I was, by the way. I have had a breast reduction, so I understand what it's like if you are top heavy. There are so many options to work with that. When it comes to t-shirts, there are many beautiful options out there, but the one thing that's going to make a difference to your black or navy t-shirt is that you go for quality over quantity.